Hey, what's up, Long Branch? Right now we're going to go through solving systems of linear equations by substitution. This was Chapter 5, Section 2 in your textbook. It's also on your upcoming quiz and test. So, let's get right to it. So our example today, we're going to use the system of equations negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 4. And 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. The first thing I notice when I'm looking at this system is that this y right here has a coefficient of 1. Okay, so that's going to be the easiest one to solve for first. So let's go ahead and isolate y. We're going to get y alone on one side of the equal sign. So we'll start off negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 4. Then we'll add 2x to both sides. Add 2x to both sides. That's going to give us y equals 2x minus 4. So now we've isolated y. We've gone ahead and isolated y. So we can substitute this 2x minus 4 in for y in our other equation. Think about substitutes like when you have a substitute teacher. If you have a substitute, your regular teacher is not there. So let's rewrite this equation over here. 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now let's go ahead and substitute 2x minus 4 in for y right over here. So we have 7x minus 2. Remember to always put it in parentheses. 2x minus 4. And that's all equal to 5 still. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do, let me get a different color, is to distribute this negative 2. Remember, that's a negative 2. Don't forget the sign in front of it. Do not forget the sign in front of it. So when we distribute that negative 2, we get 7x minus 4x, and then 2x times negative 4 is positive 8. And that's still all equal to 5. Next step is to combine like terms. 7x minus 4x will give us 3x plus 8 equals 5. Then we just have to subtract 8 from both sides. It's going to give us 3x is equal to 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So then we have to divide both sides by 3 because 3 and x are being multiplied by each other, and division is the inverse operation of multiplication. When we do that, these 3's cancel. X is going to be equal to negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. So now we found x. We know that x is equal to negative 1. So then we're going to go over, I'm going to have to start a new slide over here. So we remember, let me just write down what we know. X is equal to negative 1. And our original system was negative 2x plus y equals negative 4, and 7x minus 2y equals 5. So this is nothing new over here. This is just all the information we know now. So we know that x is equal to negative 1. So we can plug this in. We can plug negative 1 in for x into either one of our original equations. It doesn't matter which one we use. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll use the first equation. So let's go up here. I'll change the color. Alright, go back to blue. Negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 4. Okay? And we'll plug in negative 1 for x now. Negative 2, parentheses, negative 1 plus y is equal to negative 4. Alright, so negative 2 times negative 1 is going to be positive 2 plus y equals negative 4. So then we have to subtract 2 from each side. When we do that, we are left with y equals negative 6. Y equals negative 6. Alright, so now we know that x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 6. We just have to rewrite our answer as an ordered pair, x comma y. So we have negative 1 comma negative 6. Alright, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. See you on the next one.